Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to show you exactly how you can use Affinity Designer to pull out that background and get it out real fast and quick. And it took me a little bit while to figure it out because I looked at all these different videos and I just want something fast to get it done and keep working in Affinity, and I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so what I did, I already downloaded an image right here, and I'm just going to pull this in. It's an image of me. You see how it has the, probably can't see the plus icon yet, there it is. All right, so that's me being silly. So resize it real fast. And I'm gonna try to make sure it's on the full screen, because a lot of times when I do this and it's not, you miss the spots that you're trying to do. So make sure it's in the frame of your actual desktop that you're trying to use. All right, so this is me being silly. And so what I'm gonna do first here is come up here and hit this pixel persona. And then I'm going to select the selection brush, and then we're just going to start doing this. And this is pretty easy, right? Like you've probably seen this before in other videos. Oops. And then I'm going to hit it's the command, do this the opposite way. It's the option. So it's just so you guys know, I am not claiming to be an Affinity Designer Pro, but I did see like a lot of people were like making this super hard, and I'm like, don't make this so hard. So I'm gonna make sure I got this outlined right. All right, cool. So I'm good with that. Pretty basic, right? Easy peasy. And then I'm going to come over here and hit the refine button. Boom, hits the refine. I hit OK. Oops, apply. All right, I'm good with that. Now, this is what a lot of people weren't sharing. Is like, now you have this, they would say just hit delete. It's like, well, you can, but if you come over here and click the actual image to your right, and come over here and hit rasterize. All right, so that's what I started doing. And then I select my vector tool by hitting V, or just come up here and hit that arrow on the top left. And just to make sure it's right, I just go, oh, okay. And if that it's working, I'd undo that because I don't want to keep that, because it gives a weird shadow effect. So then after that, now I hit delete, and it works. So then now you got this little outline. I couldn't get rid of this forever. And all you do is hit Control D on a Mac, which means basically you're unselecting it. And you're done. Like boom, right there. Fast, easy. You don't have to pay for anything extra. You don't have to use any third-party apps. You can stay within Affinity and get this done. And now this is my thumbnail, even though it's kind of big. This is my thumbnail. I can get it done. And hopefully you guys can say like, oh, that's pretty cool and easy. Right? So simple way to get your thumbnail done, or your move that backdrop to make whatever you want to make. Have fun with it, and I'll use this on my previous video. Hopefully this helps you guys. Keep pushing. If you have any questions, I'll leave it below, but this would be a huge help if I'd found this probably about 2 hours ago, about 2 weeks ago. Anyway, have a great one. And if you guys like this, do me a favor, subscribe, like, if you want to see some more content, what I'm doing to help on my journey, entrepreneur journey, to help other business owners grow their business through internet marketing techniques and advertising, then definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys or comments below. So I post a lot of videos on my entrepreneur journey, mindset, interviewing top coaches, entrepreneur business owners, you name it. I try to work my best to help you guys see the greatest content that's going to help elevate your game and grow your business. Now, one of the things we did is we created a tool, a software tool that's cost us literally thousands of dollars and almost 2 years to create. With this tool, we are giving away a lifetime license, and it's very important that you guys, when you hear what I'm saying, that we build and grow and engage our list. You control the list, you have the ability to do the Oprah effect. So with that, you guys visit sbwarriors/my-resources. You have access to get a lifetime license for absolutely free. And you can see some of the other tools we use, which is very important in maintaining and growing your business. While we wait for next week's video, if you guys would like, you can take a look at one of these two videos here or here to get started, where we typically go over social media marketing, interviews, see some of the top stuff that's going on currently in the business sphere as far as helping you grow your business. So check out these two videos, get started, have a great day. We appreciate you guys watching, and keep pushing. Push to grow, to get help to keep growing your business for this year and many years to come. I'm pushing for you guys. Have a great one, and we'll see you next time.